Right down to the mat now. Look at the ball. Looking to put it on his guy. That's tight. That's tight. He's Sandhagen is either really flexible or being stubborn right now. Look at that elbow. Wow. I can't believe the flexibility on Sandhagen's elbow right there. Look at that. And, oh, he's busting him up with these hammer fists. Look at that arm, and Sandhagen's still not tapping. Oh, my goodness. Now he's trying to get out.
Man, the more UFC fights I have, the more clear I get. You know, like I'm in here, everyone here is world class. I'm a little notch above that.
I know there was some disappointment when the John Lineker fight fell through. You get the short notice replacement.